Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your brand new 2018 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive SE. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger all-wheel drive SUV in a calm, cool, and collected magnetic gray color. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 18-inch wheels. Included in your SE package is your power sunroof as well as your heated steering wheel and your smart key system with push start for the ultimate driving convenience.
Helping you into your RAV4 is your handy smart key system. It has the lock, the unlock, as well as the power liftgate and panic button. To unlock the driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have a stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. We're going to lock those doors now. Put the keys into my pocket. Simply running your hand across the handle there, it will unlock for you. You also do have your blind spot monitor alert on your side view mirrors there, as you're greeted by a stylish and sporty interior. You have your leather trim with your black trim, and you also do have your power windows and your power locks. Taking a closer look now, you have your power adjustable side mirrors with your lane departure alert, your heated steering wheel, your rear locking differential, and your power liftgate. You also do have a full set of all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean, and your chrome RAV4 skid plates for added style. And the real showstopper of your interiors are your Softex seats here with that contrasting orange stitching, part of your SE edition. And of course, letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof, which will definitely be nice to have open during those long summer drives. So why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your RAV4 with your smart key system, simply put your foot on the brake, hit that push start button. That dashboard's gonna light up with that welcome screen, and you also have that red and white ambient lighting. Taking a look at your display now. On your dashboard, it's a multi-information display which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. It's open to your Toyota Safety Sense features at the moment, so you have your lane departure alert as well as your pre-collision assistant. You also do have your blind spot monitor, as well as being able to set the height of your power lift gate. For those safety features like your lane departure alert, you can turn on and off those alerts, or you can set the sensitivity of those sensors, which can be found on the front of your RAV4. You also have your volume control, mode changers, hands-free calling, and voice command, and below you'll be able to find your cruise control. This feature here is your dynamic radar cruise control, which is a distance keeping feature as part of your Toyota Safety Sense. You have your leather wrapped steering wheel, which as mentioned before is heated. You have your automatic headlights, so you don't have to forget to turn them on when it starts getting darker earlier and earlier during the winter here. And your LCD screen now, it's open to your audio system, so you have your AM FM radio. You also do have your USB auxiliary and Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. And your audio system is equipped with your Sirius XM radio. Now, shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on the screen here in nice large format, easy to read, and keeps everyone and everything nice and safe. A big plus of your SE trim is your navigation system, which is a user-friendly system, so definitely come on in, punch in your home address, and see how it works for you. Below you'll find your digital display for your dual zone climate control, so you can set a different temperature for both your driver and your passenger side. You also have your electronic automatic climate control plus your air conditioning, so your RAV4 is working for you. And below you'll find your eco and sport drive mode, plus your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side. You also do have your heated side mirrors, plus your USB auxiliary input and your Bluetooth audio. You have plenty of media storage below. You have that black trim as part of your motif, and of course tying all that sporty style together, you have leather trim on your shift knob and your parking brake. You also do have your sport drive mode controls from your shift knob. You have your cup holders. This armrest can be pushed back opening up your center console, you have your top shelf for smaller items. Below, plenty of space to store everything that you need. Of course, it's finished with that soft text material as part of the quality that comes with your Toyota. Now, here's a closer look at that dashboard detailing, and you have your open shelving unit plus more storage below in your glove box with, of course, all the manuals you'll need to know, everything there is to know about your RAV4. Plenty of stylish and functional features built right into your 2018 RAV4. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your RAV4. To activate that power lift gate, simply hold that release button on your fob there and it'll pop open for you. Nice convenience feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Now, right now, your tonneau cover is installed, which offers just the right amount of privacy for all of your cargo. You also do have your handy 40/60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items. Below, you'll find your tools and your spare tire storage in case anything does happen on the side of the road. Plus, those pieces on the side removed so that you can store your tonneau cover and you don't have to leave home without it. You have your cargo lamp inside as well. And reactivating that power lift gate, simply press that button there, or if you're walking away, you can use your fob as well. As it rolls down, you can see that you have your rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy. You also do have your backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots, as well as your Chrome SE all-wheel drive badging. As you take one more look at the back of your RAV4.
Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive SUV. Built right into your RAV4 is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert, your dynamic radar cruise control, and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection for the ultimate driving safety. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.